Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. What is your least favorite house chore, you guys? Mine is right here. It is cleaning the oven. It is just not the thing I like to do. And my stovetop and my oven have just gotten way just out of control. So in today's video, we are going to attempt to get it in better shape, you guys. And I'm looking for good products to use to try to get a handle on this. So if you have any recommendations, please leave me a link below, or a name or something, any recommendations on what I can do. And pray for me, guys, as I attempt to get this under control. Please join me. Let's motivate each other to clean this all up, okay?
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself. I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing.
So for my stovetop, I am using this stovetop cleaner that I got from the store that came in a set. Actually, you can buy this cream cleaning agent by itself, but I also got this set that came with these tools that you use for scrubbing the top. It also has this other tool that you'll see me use later, which is kind of like a razor for just scrubbing off hard to get things like burns and stuff like that off the top of your stove, especially if you have a like a glass top or any kind of sensitive stove top. So
I won't let it get to me, I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this, freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus, living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it, go on and take your aim, yeah.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the gas, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes. Taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great. Popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
So I gotta be honest with you guys. I really struggled to find something to get the grease off of stainless steel, because if you remember in a previous video, I had the Wayman product, which is amazing for just like getting your stainless steel to shine. So I'm still using Wayman here, but I can't get the grease from, like, when you're cooking, the splattering that happens. So there's a lot of grease on these parts that are stainless steel, but I just can't seem to get a good product that can get all that grease easily off. So you'll see I'm using the stovetop cream again, and it worked really better than the other product that I was using. So that's what I ended up doing.
in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place. See,
so I'm all done with the cleaning. Before I show you what it now looks like, I just want to remind you what it looked like before.
Let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
So what do you guys think? I feel like it looks so much better than before. Even the stainless steel is looking much cleaner. So I am good with this. Now, obviously it's not perfect, but you guys, this stove is like 13 years old. And I think it looks much better than before, especially the oven. I mean, let's remember where we started, right? So I feel like this is, a complete transformation. But I'm open to suggestions. If you do have ideas of different products I could use that would make this look even better, please comment below. I hope that I've motivated you to get your stove and oven cleaned if they've been overdue like mine was, or to do any other chore that maybe is on your list that you maybe don't like as much. That is what I'm here for. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I appreciate you. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye.